Have you ever wanted to blur a moving object in your video, like logo, face, or license plate? But the blur just doesn't stay in place? Manually adjusting the blur frame by frame can take forever, but with AI motion tracking, you can track the object automatically and keep it blurred throughout the entire video in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how to blur a moving object using AI motion tracking step by step. Now, I won't waste your time. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. You'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the download link in the description below. Once installed, open it up and click New Project to begin. Step 2. Use Smart Auto Mosaic. Import your video and select it. In the top right corner, find AI Tool and click Auto Mosaic. There are 3 mosaic styles available, so you can choose the one you like. Then, use the box to frame the object you want to blur and adjust the size if needed. Next, go to Tracking Description. In most cases, select Entire Clip Tracking, and then click Start Tracking. Once it's done, the mosaic will automatically follow the moving object throughout the video. This is really very simple, isn't it? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple AI video editing tips.